And I'm going to demonstrate it starting from like a small section instead of the whole front section. Let's assume we are starting from a pointed end. I want to braid all these sections into one. Taking out the beginning part, I'm going to share this into 3. Don't mind that dog, but there's nothing I can do about it. So I've shared this section into 3. Try to make them equal. Don't sweat it though. So now dominant hand grabs the right hand section. Dominant left hand, not dominant, sorry. The right hand grabs the first section. Left thumb and pointy finger grabs the middle section. This finger holds down the third section, just like this. So now we start, go under this middle, grab this, go under the middle, grab this. This is what we are going to be doing. Grab, go under, grab, go under, grab, go under, grab. Let's see. So we grab and we grab. We grab, feeding, grab. That's why this is, no, that's not why it's called feeding. But what we are going to feed this thing some hair. Go under, feed it some hair. Go under, feed it some hair. This is another angle. I hope this is helping. If you watch all the videos together, you're going to see most of the angles. If you were to do stitch braid, when you're adding in the hair, you have to be adding it in a clean line. That's the difference. But for normal braids, you just grab small hair. If you grab too much, that can be a source of your problem. Grab, go under the middle, grab and give a belly. So we feed it, we give it belly. Go under the middle, grab this side, give a belly. When I say give a belly, we're giving it hair. Go under the middle, grab this side, feed it. Under the middle, grab the left hand side, feed it. Under the middle one, grab the right hand side and feed it. Grab and feed. Please leave a thumbs up. Is there any other angle you want to see? Should I braid it from here? Let's see. My hand placement. Or you want, when I go to grab and feeding, I do not open my thumb too much carelessly. If you open this too much, this thing is going to slip out and it's going to loosen up here. So when you go to feed in hair, okay, some people ask, how do you feed in? So let's say I want to feed in this section of hair. I open up this hand just a little bit and grab it, adding it to what I have already, and then I braid. When I come to feed, I fed some hair and add it into my pointing and thumb. This is how you feed in the hair, but it can be very tiny and it can be big depending on the section. Oh, one other hack I think I've noticed is if you want to imagine the quantity of hair you're going to add here, right? Look at the section from here to here. So the hair we are going to add will be like from here to here, from here to here. So it's going to be this much. So let's say I am here, I'm going to add small hair. Can you see this section is so short, it is like this. But when I come back here, if I feed in this quantity of hair, it's going to be too small. If I feed in this quantity of hair, this is what's going to make your braid look very funny. Like you braid and you're finishing here and you have so much hair that you have to now pull up. Just one of the mistakes beginners make. But you feed in the hair, it's going to be proportional to like the ratio of hair in your hand at that time and the size of the braid. That affects how much hair you feed in. So after this, guys, expect the next tutorial from me. But let me just tell you a couple of things I intend to do. I intend making alphabets, numbers,